Hello friends, I am Krishna Madrevar. Welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of ratio and proportion. So first of all we will see what is ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities. It is the comparison of two quantities. If we consider two quantities, that is A and B, the ratio is written as A is to B or A by B or A divided by B, isn't it? Now the two quantities being compared are known as the terms. For example, we have the ratio, that is 5:8. 5 is known as antecedent and 8 is known as consequent. A ratio is denoted by, if we say 2/3 is the same as 2:3 or it is the same as 2 divided by 3. 2 is known as antecedent and 3 is known as consequent. Okay? To find the ratio of any two quantities, they must be in same unit. That is, A and B must be in same unit. Okay? Now, the ratio does not change if both the terms, that is A and B, are multiplied or divided by the same number. Okay? For example, that is 2/3 equal to, if 2 is multiplied with 2 and 3 is multiplied with 2, then 4/6, which is same as, that is 2/3. We can write again 8/12. Okay? We can take any fraction or any ratio, that is 5/7. We can write it as 15/21, which is same as 30/42, etc. Now we will see the types of ratios. Number 1, that is duplicate ratio. Now, what is duplicate ratio? The ratio of squares of two numbers is called as duplicate ratio. For example, we have 2/5. Then if we square the two terms, that is 2 and 5, then 4/25, this ratio is known as the duplicate ratio of 2/5. Next is triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio. Same, that is, if we take a number that is 2/5, if we take the cube of 2, that is 2 cube and 5 cube, then 8/125, that is the ratio 8/125 is triplicate of what? 2/5. Okay? Now the next term is subduplicate ratio. What is subduplicate ratio? The ratio of square root of two numbers is called as the subduplicate ratio of two numbers. For example, that is 2/3 is subduplicate of 4 by 9. That is 2 by 3 is what? The square root of 4 by 9. In similar way, we have subtriplicate ratio. What is subtriplicate ratio? The ratio of the cube roots of two numbers is called as subtriplicate ratio. That is, for example, if we take a 3 by 4 is the subtriplicate of what? What is the cube of 3? That is 27. What is the cube of 4? That is 64. That is subtriplicate of 27 upon 64 is what? 3 by 4. The next type of ratio is inverse ratio or reciprocal ratio. Now what is inverse ratio? The antecedent and consequent of a ratio is interchanged. That is, for example, A is to B, the reciprocal will be B is to A. The antecedent will goes towards consequent and the consequent will goes towards antecedent. The inverse and the reciprocal ratio. For example, if 4 by 3 is the ratio, the inverse of 4 by 3 is inverse ratio is, that is 3 by 4. First example. Second example, if take 2 by 9, then the inverse ratio will be what? 9 divided by 2. Isn't it? The next type of ratios, that is compound ratio. Now what is compound ratio? If A is to B and C is to D are the two ratios, then their compound ratio is AC is to BD. Means the antecedent of two ratios, that is A and C, and the consequent of two ratios, if we multiply, then the ratio becomes compound ratio. For example, if we have 2 by 3, if we take 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7, then the compound ratio will be 2 into 5 is to 3 into 7, that is 10 is to 21 is the compound ratio of 2 is to 3 and 5 is to 7. This is the first example. What will be the compound ratio if three ratios are there? That is 1 by 2 is to 3 by 4 is to 5 by 7. Then the compound ratio will be 1 into 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 4 into 7. That is 5 3s are 15 divided by 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56. Now 15 upon 56 is the compound ratio of 1 by 2 is to 3 by 4 is to 5 by 7. If you like this video, please share, like and comment our YouTube channel. Thank you.